Step inside a home where coastal serenity meets timeless elegance, calming blues, soft greens, and a blend of antiques and modern pieces create a space full of warmth, sophistication, and charm. Liz Williams' interior design for the Frederica home project successfully creates a serene and elegant coastal classic atmosphere. The design is heavily inspired by the lakeside location, with a calming color scheme of blues and greens flowing throughout the residence. This palette is beautifully balanced with neutral tones, providing a sophisticated backdrop for the home's furnishings. In the main living areas, Williams skillfully blended inherited family antiques with new pieces. The living room, for instance, sets a tranquil tone with repurposed and recovered chairs in a soft green fabric. An antique mirror, relocated from another part of the house, hangs above the fireplace, adding a sense of history and gravitas. The dining room, in a similar fashion, showcases an antique table and chairs that were reupholstered in coordinating blue and green fabrics, perfectly complementing a striking wall mural. kitchen features an all-white design accented with blue and white porcelain, creating a clean, classic feel, and is centered around an oversized island. The den, with its tailored furniture and rustic pecky cypress walls, takes on a more masculine and cozy feel, perfect for a casual family space. This room also houses the homeowner's collection of hunting and fishing trophies. In the master bedroom, the coastal influence is evident in the choice of a traverse fabric for the upholstered headboard, which helps to create a soothing and elegant retreat. The children's rooms are also given distinct personality, with a daughter's room painted a vibrant blue to accent pops of pink, and a son's room featuring gray walls that complement his red sports jerseys and bedding. Throughout the home, Liz Williams focused on details and a timeless design philosophy, ensuring the space is not only beautiful but also comfortable and deeply personal to the family who lives there.